This video is provided to you by bitMachina, the easiest way to buy bitcoins in Eastern Ontario. Visit bitmachina.ca and find our nearest location today.
Alright, so today guys we're at the Iris Food Mart and we're going to show you how to purchase Bitcoin at one of our Bitcoin counters. So let's say you're the customer and you walk in and you ask to buy some Bitcoin. So the merchant will pull out that device to handle the transaction. So the first step is for you to give your phone number. So what is your phone number?
My phone number is
At this point, the device sends a verification code to the customer. So the merchant would ask you for the verification code.
yes. My verification code is 618077.
Alright, so now the merchant will ask you if you want to pay in cash or with your credit card. So the transaction limit is higher if you want to pay in cash. In fact, you can buy up to $3,000 per day if you want to pay in cash, whereas you can only buy for $500 if you want to pay with your credit card. So how would you like to pay today?
I would like to pay in cash.
Perfect. So now the merchant will ask you if you want to use your electronic wallet or if you want to print out a paper wallet. So what would you like?
Yeah, I would like to scan my electronic wallet.
So at this point, the merchant will take the device and will scan your QR code. The next step is to ask, how much would you like to buy today?
$10.
$10. All right. So the merchant will ask you for confirmation purposes. You really want to buy for $10 worth of Bitcoin and pay in cash?
Correct. $10.
All right. At this point, he will send the Bitcoins to you. Put the money in an envelope. He will give you a receipt printed by the device, and you will keep the other receipt. And that's it. That's how you use one of our Bitcoin counters.